Hey, welcome again to my channel Urbanism Spinning. As you know, I'm an urbanism content creator and make value adding videos for you guys every week. So let's get this show on the road and see what I have for you today. Today I will be adding new project to my Sustainable Campus series, and the project is called Sun Nature Park. Sun Nature Park in Copenhagen, Denmark is a type of modern urban campus park that supports world-leading health science research. It surrounds the famous Musk Tower. Here one can find wide range of natural, functional, biological and social values that are provided to the surrounding city through it. The large number of exotic tree species is found here. This increases the biodiversity of Sun Nature Park. The architects found inspiration in the history of the location. The park and the building is a modern expansion of the original Panem complex from 1986. Earlier, the Panem complex was a bit gloomy. The outdoor area had plain lawns with less biodiversity and various parking lots. During that time, the area was only meant to be used by students and researchers. But today, Sun Nature Park is not only made for students and teachers but also for citizens. Visitors and citizens can enjoy the lush green landscape spaces in the Sun Nature Park. Today, through its nature-based design, an environmental-friendly space is provided for good study and research life. So building and landscaping blends together to provide outdoor study spaces with ample of recreational areas. A healthy and innovative space enhances the creativity and productivity of the users. Students and researchers gather together in the outdoor study areas for various group studies and research discussions. Sun Nature Park offers sustainable solutions to pressing global issues. It has capability of handling even the extreme cloudburst. The reason and explanation behind it is that Sun Nature Park not only consists of green landscaping area on the ground but also on the roofs. Therefore, green roofs helps in collecting rainwater. Further, rainwater is collected from the park, buildings and the surrounding streets. The collected rainwater is recycled and reused for irrigation in the park or for great toilet water in the building. This saves up to 1,000 liters of water in a day. So as we are familiar with the fact that Copenhagen is widely known for its cycling culture and innovative cycling parking solutions, so the park has its cycling connections with the neighborhood like Nørrebro. This is done through a 300-meter long floating bicycle and pedestrian bridge which leads across the campus park and the Musk Tower. Therefore, the design of Sun Nature Park offers social and environmental benefits to students and researchers as well as citizens living there. These kind of designs give new experience to users and also keep them healthy and productive. Sun Nature Park is an award-winning project and there is a lot to learn from it. The project has won many awards and honors like the World Architecture Festival Award, the Copenhagen City Award, the Scandinavian Green Roof Award and many more. So, project like Sun Nature Park makes the world sustainable and a better place to live in. Therefore, that's all for today. Do let me know your feedback in comment section, and if you like the video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you guys. See you next week.